Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Surveyor by Forest River. It's a 264 RKS model. It's a rear kitchen, really nice unit. It's got some propane cover here, 2 batteries, power jack. It's a dual axle, nice storage here underneath. This one's got a big awning across the whole outside. The whole side's a nice big awning, keep you in the shade on a hot summer day. Let's go inside and take a peek inside. Now, a lot of people really like these rear kitchens because when you're in here cooking or doing the dishes, you can look out and see if the kids are playing or check out your site. This one's got a nice 3-burner stovetop, stainless steel sink, good counter space, nice stainless steel microwave, lots of cupboards and deep storage in these. Lots of drawers, which is nice. Nice little jackknife couch, but you can sit here, watch the TV. Got a nice little sound system already on this unit. Beautiful little dinette, movable table here, so you need some extra storage, you've got it. A nice bathroom with the glass shower enclosure. A little medicine cabinet, good storage. Skylight in there as well. What I really like about this little unit, it's got extra storage here too for you can never have too much storage. So you got another like wardrobe closet here with built-in drawers. And if you look in this guy, you can actually walk around this bed, so you can actually utilize this bedroom to actually change and stuff. More storage underneath. And this one's got a couple built-in drawers, which is really nice touch for when you're camping, because you never have enough room for your socks and underwear and everything else. Lots of storage up above as well. Nice cross breeze here with the windows, and you've got a separate door entrance into the bedroom if you need it. It's overall just a really nice, clean, pre-owned unit. If you have any questions about this unit or any other unit here in Guaranty, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323.